Hey y'all, thanks for clicking. Let's go ahead and just jump into the video right away. I won't waste any time. See you later. It is day 7 of the build. Well, technically day 8 if you count yesterday. I organized all of my clothes and decorations and knickknacks and stuff like that that are gonna be going into the bus. 4 or 5 trash bags worth of stuff that I'm gonna I'll end up donating. There's a few things like just odds and ends and junk that I'll have my mom keep. Other than that, we're working hard. We're on the way. We'll see you guys when we're at the work site. All right, well, first things first, we got to get this place all swept up. It is pretty messy in here. Gonna probably take this board off, cut it again, get the insulation on all of these, and then we'll work on getting the second half started on that wall, going up to here and kind of sectioning off. You can kind of see the opening that I've laid out for it in the tape. That's about what the width is gonna be. Wall is gonna go right up to this pole here, and then just right about there. Might even make it a little smaller, because right now we're sitting at about, the width is pretty big actually at this point, so might switch that up. But anyway, yeah, moving on. Boop. All right, that is the third piece of the final wall final sidewall. I don't know. We still got this wall here in the front, but that's about it. That's gonna be completely manufactured. But yeah, we got the windows. I mean, this is still loose because we don't have the screws to tie it down because we need metal tapping. But we left it open so you could still use these as an emergency exit if we need to get out of there. But also, since the couch is gonna go like right here, I thought, it'd be really nice to be able to sit on the couch and like see outside. So that was the initial thought there. Yeah, other than that, so the last few pieces that we have to do are the top ones here all the way across, which will be cut out. The windows as well. Essentially the full window will be visible. Although, I was thinking maybe even, who knows, we might switch some things up. But yeah, other than that, everything looks pretty good. And we're moving on. Alrighty, last piece of the wall, baby. Everything is insulated and ready to go. Obviously, we got rid of that window. We'll be getting rid of these two as well. Obviously, got to notch this out right here. But this is the last piece of wall. And it is so much warmer in here. Holy cannoli. Anyway, yeah, update. Boop. Alrighty, all the walls are in. We are finally walled in. And it looks pretty good. We got our nice little windows here. Blacked out over there. Back window there. Little kitchen area has all windows there. Eventually this will be completely shut down, so you won't be able to see that anymore, and it'll all have insulation, so it's gonna look pretty nice. Currently working on getting the wiring for the lights in the ceiling, and got this just hanging out here. I accidentally put way too much wire in this roll, but better than having not enough wire, so that's good. Anyway, moving on. Alrighty, we're doing pretty dang good. We got one piece of the ceiling up, and like you guys saw last time, the wire's in. It is tough as a son of a gun to put that thing up without any help. You're like sitting there balancing it on your head. It's crazy. Anyway, still working. Bye. Alrighty, I'm pretty tired at this point. Putting in the ceiling sucks. Yeah, anyway, so that's where we're about at. We got one section of the ceiling in all the way down. The wire's in on that side. But yeah, so now it's just the center section and then that section, the far right section, which also has like the stovepipe and stuff in it. So I'm kind of waiting for that until the stove gets here. That way I can try to figure some stuff out there. Yeah, other than that, she looks pretty dang good. I'm really stoked about it. I mean, it's fully insulated on the walls. I have not put the insulation in the ceiling yet. I'm just pre-cutting everything, getting it ready, and then I will move on from there with the insulation. But yeah, things are looking good. I will see you guys later. Oh, one thing. Look how gorgeous this is. Wait. One sec. And the beautiful Ruby Mountains. Look at that. You don't get much more pretty than that. I mean, it's been just gorgeous up here, non-stop. Look at that. Anyway, all the tools are already packed up. We're ready to go. I'm gonna drink a beer with my dad, and then we're dipping. See you guys tomorrow on, I think, day 8. So, yeah. Bye. Well, we got a package delivered. Whoop. Any guesses as to what it is? You know? It's the cooler. That is my 75 quart refrigerator freezer combo. 12 volt. It's gonna be pretty nice. Really stoked about this.
We're starting.
It started. Cool. Awesome. Here, one second, I can get it out. chaotic box oven.
And that's how it's done.
And you just kick everything. And there we go. There's some stuff in here. These are just corners for the boxes so it doesn't get damaged. But anyway, let's check this thing out. Double latches on the front. Got the control panel here for temp. Open it up. Got some refreshing packets. And it looks to be the power supply. It's actually cold in here, which is crazy. It's cold in here, which is crazy. Nice, little light there. Some stuff to give you an idea of how it works and temperatures and whatnot. Not bad. All right, see you later. Also forgot to show you guys what it's like with its little carrying little case here, little protector. You still access the number pads, got ventilation everywhere. Power area, brake, or that's a fuse. Wow, easy peasy. I am so stoked on this. This is gonna be so perfect for what we need. I mean, it's like ample storage. I'm gonna be able to have everything I need for like a week's worth of food in there, or like say a meal prep. It'll fit all of my stuff. So pretty excited about that. Hey y'all, thanks again for watching. If you like that video, go ahead and hit that like button. Give us a follow and or a subscription if you feel like it. Also send this video over to one of your friends that you think would like our content. If you'd like to watch some more, go ahead and hit our profile icon or one of the awesome videos that you see on your screen. And if you'd like some more behind the scenes, go ahead and follow along on the Instagram or any of the socials in the link down below. Again, thank you and see you later, homies.